Hey guys, I wanted to show you this awesome filter I got on Amazon a couple weeks ago. So I needed an air purifier for my room and my bedroom, and this thing has been working awesome. So one, I love the design, just the sleekness, the size, the feel, and the weight. It's not super heavy, which is super nice. One of the other really great things is just the quiet motor that it has. So I'll turn it on here for you. It sort of goes through a little thing. But you know what? It's working right now. You can't even hear a thing. Sleeping, sitting here reading, it's awesome. So it's doing a lot of work while I'm not even here. I really love the settings here. So green means that the filter is doing well. Yellow means it might need to get changed, and red is, hey, you shouldn't be using this. So I love the visual indication. We have a lot of different methods or buttons on here. We have auto mode, sleep mode, fan speed, filter, and a bunch of just other things that you can use if you want to change the experience a little bit. But overall, it works as needed. Comes with a nice charging cord on the back, and what's super nice is that on the bottom here you can actually go in and change the filter here. So when one of them goes bad, it's a quick, easy replacement, and you're back to good. So yeah, I definitely recommend this if you're looking to get an air purifier.